I was very laissez-faire when I started the SEO button. I was not even getting contracts in place. It was like over the email agreements because I was in a position where I was working with a lot of people that I know or were recommended to me by people that I know. So I didn't really formalize anything in the SEO button up until probably last year. But I think some of the more important legal documents you really do need to have in place is firstly a statement of work where you're outlining your responsibilities and the client's responsibilities. I think there's a lot of really good templates when it comes to getting one of those contract in place where outline all the different laws, the different payment terms, et cetera, that you can just quickly pop in or you can quickly just download and customize it for your specific brand and company. And then apart from that, what I've actually recently started doing was I started using an email signature software. I use Signaturely. It's, in my opinion, the most cost effective and the best use case for my scenario. I use Signaturely to draft up contracts. I create a statement of work where it outlines my responsibilities and the client's responsibilities. I have an NDA in there as well. These are the terms you have to pay within 30 days. This is what happens if you want to cancel. This is what happens if there's any breaches, which is something I pulled off the internet. I customize it for the SEO button and away we go. And I'm happy I have started doing it. There has been situations in the past where clients have not paid me. Of course, there's email stuff like that, so it doesn't really impact it too much. But in those situations, I do wish I had a contract in place, a formal contract in place, which was signed off on, which would have been more beneficial for me instead of having to go in and do all these different things. When you're a small business, I can't speak on behalf of everybody. I don't really think you have too many legal needs. I think you have more like accountant needs, bookkeeper needs. I think that's where it starts. But obviously, as the SEO button grows and we are taking on more clients, more complex engagements, more employees, I would want to formalize it a little bit more, get some employee contracts in place as well. Right now, even that's very laissez-faire. So yeah, these are all things that I'll be working on probably next year.